Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix cannot find template with ID error on escape from Tarkov game. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once done, check if the error is fixed. If not, next is to check server status. So you are suggested to check the server status of the game. If it is downtime it's it's under maintenance, you have to wait for some time and then check if the error is fixed or not. If not, next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, launch Steam. Now under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. Now this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. You have to select the game application. Now right click on it and then click on run as administrator. So if it doesn't resolve the problem, you can run the game as admin. So for that, click on properties. Now click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator and click on apply and OK, and then check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, next method is to clear cache on the launcher. So if you're playing the game on Steam, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on downloads, go below, and here you have to click on clear cache beside clear download cache option. This pop-up will occur. This will clear your local data cache and restart Steam. You just have to log into Steam once again. So click on confirm, and once done, check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files. Once done, check if the problem is fixed. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Escape from Tarkov game. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your system once, and after restarting again, reinstall Escape from Tarkov game, and then try to launch the game and check whatever the issue you are coming across is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.